bilis ng response nila. Ayan yung medic. So they're coordinating with this. Mount St. Helens. This is just practice.
So, official practice ni Josh. Kasama kami ni Gang. Papanoorin namin 2 laps lang kada isang class. And then, gate drop number 3 siya. Here we go.
Bababa ka. Look how steep. Whoa. Oh, they're coordinating with this. Mount St. Helens. This is just practice, guys. So these are 65cc, but they timed over.
So, practice 3 na. 2 laps lang yan. Sighting lap lang, basically. So, Josh is there.
Si Josh. Nakakapa. We were able to do this layout.
How's the track?
That's good.
Memorized it?
Yeah.
In 2 laps. Bet Rider Gang is gearing up. And dalawang track dito, main track and bet track. So, kahit may karera sa main, bukas yung bet track nila. Gang Galicia. Papunta na siya ng gate. Samahan ko lang. So, race 1 niya. 85cc, 13 to 16. First time niya in this category, so entered him in the 85cc 13 to 16 beginner. Tingnan natin. Hey Josh, you wanna go outside? This is a good line, Josh. It's straight. Wait, let me pack it. So yun, behind me may AMA official. Bawal po ayusin yung gate sa kabila. Eto. You can't fix beyond that. So yung pwede mong i-fix yung doon sa may cement. So yung official. But not beyond that.